Each year, PTEN celebrates new and innovative products for shops and technicians with its innovation awards. The Streamlight Stinger Color-Rite is one of this year's highest scoring winners and winner of the safety and personal gear category. The light offers 3 lighting modes, IPX4 water resistance, and a 90 CRI LED. Here to tell us more about the Color-Rite is Mark Rowe, Streamlight's National Accounts Manager for the Automotive and Hardware Division. Thanks so much for joining me today.
My pleasure.
So to start off with, what makes this product innovative?
Well, the Stinger Color-Rite is all about seeing colors accurately, which is a game changer for especially auto techs. While, the high lumen products, ultra bright beam, that's needed in most applications, but it prevents subtle color differences, particularly like in dark areas and wiring and stuff like that. The Stinger Color-Rite, like you said, uses 90 CRI or color rendering index LED. So you're seeing the color spectrum as it appears in natural sunlight. This allows the tech to be more accurately tell the difference between the similar shades when paint matching spot body or identifying wiring, like is it dark orange or is it red? So we made the Stinger Color-Rite durable and reliable because tools in the shop tend to take a beating. So it's got our, anodized aluminum body, rubberized grip, water resistant, impact resistant, and handles daily, shop life. So, with the 3 light modes, like you said, plus the strobe, you can adjust the brightness based upon, what area you're working in, whether you're full mode at 500 lumens or softer for closer up work. So it offers a good runtime as well, 1.5 hours on high and 5 hours on low.
So what was the inspiration behind creating the Color-Rite?
Well, the number one inspiration was it was actually designed for Border Patrol, so they could more accurately see, like, where people were walking and it wasn't blinding them and everything else. That's kind of what got started. But it was also built for the techs in mind that, we wanted to make sure that it makes their jobs easier and work more efficiently and more accurately. So, excuse me, we heard from a lot of techs about the standard LED sometimes being too bright, too harsh on color, on color critical work. So trying to match auto paint for fine detailing or super bright white beams just, kind of made it harder to see and washed out the paint. So, the Streamlight Color-Rite gives it a warmer, a more natural light similar to sunlight. That way the tech spot imperfections more easily, match colors with confidence, and even distinguish wiring colors in tricky under the hood areas.
So how will this product improve the lives of technicians and shop owners who use it?
Well, for starters, it saves time and prevents mistakes. When you can see the colors accurately, you're not second guessing yourself and matching paint or diagnosing electrical issues. This means better results the first time. It's also huge to help when working in low lighted areas, whether under the hood or wheel wells or underneath the dashboard. Eye fatigue is a real issue, especially for technicians, working long shifts. The softer, the warmer the light helps reduce glare and strain so they can work more efficiently for longer periods.
Speaking of the technicians, what's the feedback been like from the technicians who have used these tools?
The response has been pretty positive. Techs say the biggest thing is it makes color matching much easier. And some of them told us because they're go-to light for everything, paint correction to wire repair. So they use it for numerous things. A lot of people love the durability. They don't have to worry about it breaking and it gets knocked off the workbench or dropped on the floor. It's durable. And they appreciate the different brightnesses so they can, turn it down if they need to, or full power. And other times if they want it in a softer and a closer work area. So the rechargeable battery is another big win. It's cost effective and conveniently compared to constantly swapping out batteries, which is also more time consuming. And it fits in all existing Stinger chargers.
Is there anything else that our readers should know?
We're really proud of the color Stinger-Rite. I mean, was recognized with the 2024 PTEN Innovation Award for safety and personal gear, and especially that it was one of the top scoring products across the category. If color accuracy is important to you, this is one of those high CRI lights that we offer. We also offer a dually Cyclone, Flipmate, Stryon Switchblade, and Stinger Switchblade. They also carry the Color-Rite technology. So, Streamlight's been making tough, reliable lights for over 50 years, and we always focus on helping professionals do their job better, faster, and safer.
Well, it sounds like it's mission accomplished with this light at least. Congratulations again on winning, and thank you again for talking with me.
My pleasure.